Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Teletia. In this video I am going to show you how to you can sum of two number, and it is your plus, minus, multiplication or division. In this video we are seeing that how you can sum of two number in C language. So if you are first time you are coming on my YouTube channel, so subscribe my channel, press bell icon and like the video. If you have any suggestion and any if you are need any help, then comment in comment section. So guys, I am use for C language tutorial, I am using here code blocks. If you are want to work with any other editor, that's not problem. If you are working with Turbo C, Visual Studio Code, it's no problem. So guys, I am using here code blocks only. So I am going to create new file. Here I will save it in my folder. So this PC, here I am making all video for all 5 video in tutorial C language, and giving to file name is sum of two number. So guys, it C and C++ is file selected already. I am going to save it, and here I will start to code. If you are, I am suggest to use Turbo C if you are very beginner and want to improve your skill, then you can use if you can need to use Turbo C. If you are familiar with the, if you are not want to use Turbo C, then it is not problem that you are use any other editor. So I am going to start a program. Here I am including file stdi.h. I am going to share with you some important things that if you are working in a Turbo C, there you need to include conio.h file also, and use some syntax more like getch or clr scr. In code blocks I not need to use that syntax. Then I am going to directly start with has include and going to with main file. So I am creating a variable and giving it integer data type. My variable is a comma b comma c. In a and b I am store some value, and using c I am print of answer. So I am assign a value to variable a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. So guys, I am here add these two number and store the answer in C variable. So a plus b. So I am do it, and I am going to print answer, printf answer is percentage d comma c. So guys, this is the code, and I am going to print run it. So guys, your answer is 30. Here is your answer all showing. So if you want to do anything other like minus, then you can minus also. This is your answer. If you want to multiply it, then use multiply sign and run. I need to close this and run it. Your answer is 200. If you want to divide, then you need to change this sign, and I am going to run it. The 0 will be is answer. Then you can do anything with this operator and store in C. So guys, this is the video of for adding two number and adding or more than it, that you can perform any sum of digit using this. So guys, today in this video only this is I am meet you in next video. So guys, thank you for watch my video.